Hello friends, let us see another question given in the game. So what we have to see here, from this question you have to select what is the correct options. For what? Consider the following properties of the soil sampler, okay? The properties necessary for good quality of soil sampler. What is the good quality of soil sampler? That means we have to get the undisturbed samples. So if you want to get the undisturbed samples, then what are the properties of the sampler? Undisturbed samples. So what are the options? Area ratio should be low, cutting edge should be thick, inside clearance should be high, outside clearance should be low. What do you think? Which one is correct option? Area ratio should be low. That is right, obviously. That means how many options are there? A, B, D. What about this? Cutting edges should be thick. If cutting edges should be thick, then those are not be sharp. If they are not sharp, then you will get the disturbed soil. That means A is not correct. 2 is not correct. How many options are there with 2? This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Then how many are there? If you see these two options, outside clearance ratio should be low. Okay. Then what about the inside clearance ratio? This also should be low. So that means the given statement is wrong. D is also wrong. So what is the correct option? In the given options, area ratio should be low and also outside clearance should be low. Okay. Thank you.